Hey, it's Liz with Lawsuit Tracker. So in multi-district litigations, there's sometimes a common issue, not with everyone, but with some clients. So these litigations typically take years to reach a conclusion. You will reach out to a law firm. They'll say, okay, we're interested in evaluating your case. You'll sign a retainer agreement. They'll send over documentation for you to fill out. You send it back. The attorneys will go down the official channels, pull anything they need for your case, review, and then file in federal court. A lot of the times after that, we're waiting on the court to kind of do its thing. What ends up happening is people will not hear from said law firm for months, maybe years, because there's not much to update on. Some law firms send out, like letters and things like that, but typically no news is good news until it gets down to settlement, they reach out. Sometimes people will forget who their legal counsel is, and then they will contact other law firms and say, I think I was working with someone, but I don't remember and I haven't heard, and I want to work with you guys now. And you can't do that. So once you are represented by an attorney for an MDL, that's your legal representation. They've already filed. We both can't file for you. Sometimes people won't explain that to the new law firm that they try to hire, and then that law firm will put in a filing. It'll come back saying, no, this person's already filed. You want to be really careful of this because in some retainer agreements that you sign, it'll say, hey, if you hire us and then you hire somebody else, you are responsible for any costs or expenses for your case, which could be expensive, right, potentially. And I know everyone thinks, I would never forget who's representing me. I would highly, highly, highly recommend you save the email, star the email, put it somewhere important. These are typically significant amounts of money when these settlements come down. Not always, it really depends individual case by case basis, but these types of litigations, in my opinion, are worth pursuing. But you have to make sure that you understand that it's going to take a long time and to really stay on the up and up of who you hired. I've been seeing this a lot lately with some of the barred cases because now they're coming to settlement, or Suboxone has been ongoing for about a year now. So some people are like, yeah, I was talking to somebody a year ago, and I'm like, oh, did you sign anything with them? Well, I don't really know, but I want to work with you. And it's like, it could be very dangerous to try to risk that. And some retainers do not say that you'll owe money, but better safe than sorry. So, always make sure you understand what you're signing. Always make sure you know who your legal counsel is and how to get in touch with them. A lot of times large law firms will be involved in these types of litigations. They can be hard to get in touch with. Just my 2 cents for, calls I've been taking a lot recently. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And if you're interested in any active lawsuits right now, check out our website at lawsuittracker.org.